So hello and welcome guys. Now let us see this problem on HackerRank called company logo. So the difficulty level of this problem is medium, but actually there's nothing to understand in this problem. We just need to know the inbuilt function. So that's why I've made this tutorial so that you guys will understand what all inbuilt functions do we need to use. So obviously this challenge is I think in collections, yeah. So I'll have to import some module, some function from collection. So I'm going to use the counter function. So what I'll do from collection, simply I'll import counter. So obviously I'm going to use counter now. Hold on. Okay, fine. And after that I have to take an input, right? So see, so S will be some random input. But one more thing, I think they have told us to sort sort everything. Yeah, sort the characters in alphabetical order if the count is same. So why not sort them first only? So I'll just sort them. So this will be sorted input. That is, S will not be a string now. S, when we write sorted input, then S will be a list now. So let's try to print S now and run this code. Hold on, I'll just copy the sample thing. Yeah. So if I just copy this and paste it over here, I'll get a list, and this is a list of sorted elements now. So obviously now I have to use some counter, right? So I'll say C equals to C for counter. So C equals to a counter of S now. And if I run this code, let us see what we get. Yeah. So see, we just hold on. What I did? Yeah, I have to print it. That's what I was thinking. Why didn't I print it? I have to print out C. Yeah. So when I printed out C, I got this whole thing. But one more thing, we don't need all these elements. I think they have told up to first 4. No, only 3 times. No, yeah, 3 times. Yeah, we want to print out only 3 elements. That is the top 3 elements that are common. So to print out the most common elements, top 3 actually. So we'll write counter dot most common. So this is the thing that you need to understand. Most common, but we need just 3 elements. So now when you try to print out C, you just get B3, A2 and C2. I think that's what we needed. B3, A2 and C2. So that's it. So that was so easy actually. We didn't do much. We just did it randomly. So what you can do now, just iterate through it. So for I comma j in C, just print out I and j. That's what you had to do. So I'll just print it out. So see B3, A2, and you can also do for I in C print star I, but that's fine. This is also fine. So I'll just copy this whole thing and paste it over so that we can check for each and every test case. So see, it was such a small code. We just needed to know this thing, dot most common 3. That's what made the difference actually. So yeah, each and every test case is fine, it's satisfied. So there's no error. So that's all. Thank you. And one more thing that I would like to add up quickly is, if you like such content related to programming or any cool programming videos, then you can like and comment on my videos, and you can subscribe to my channel so that it will help my channel to grow further, because I see many people have not subscribed to the channel yet. So it will help my channel to grow further, and I'm really grateful that you all are watching my videos. So that's all. Thank you.